Here at Berkeley Carroll, we adopted STEAM as the way that we wanted to approach integrated learning for our students. The idea of STEAM is that instead of having our students think that all these different subjects happen in different silos, like math happens only during math time and science happens only during science time, it's really a matter of showing students how all those disciplines can come together. We do have separate art classes, we do have separate science teachers. In the classroom, the teachers are teaching math. And so the concept of STEAM is embracing the fact that when you learn something new and when you're trying something, you're actually using all these different skills as you do it.
I always found when I would be teaching something that used a math concept in science, kids would say, wait, why are we doing math? This is science class. So a big piece of this is really helping the kids to see that all of these are pieces of how we can understand the world.
The STEAM Hub in the lower school is our makerspace. So it's a place for our students to make and create ideas that they have. First grade and second grade, to have the STEAM course, the important thing is to build the foundation where they're used to using different tools, resources, manipulating different materials. And then in third and fourth grade, that's where they start to apply all the things that I've started with them in first and second grade. When we're thinking about projects that embrace the idea of STEAM, we're giving students opportunities to deepen their understanding of concepts that they're already learning in the classroom. So in math, in second grade, they were learning how to make a number line, but then when they had to actually scale a cardboard city building using the number line, they were able to see how that skill can apply to something that they would actually do rather than, oh, a number line just is this thing I do in math.
Having STEAM now as its own thing, I think just brings it more to the forefront of everyone's mind, and it allows us to think about ways that those science, technology, engineering, art, and math connect and to make those connections.
Starting in first grade, our students are exposed to coding concepts.
So what we really hope to build in the lower school are technology users who don't just know which button to push, but who know what to expect from technology and what problems it can solve. We found that there's so much other learning that gets built into it, and it involves thinking about something in a different way. Learning how to think through a problem logically step by step and really taking your time helps them as they go forward in learning how to program in middle and upper school, but it also just helps with learning in general.
Through our robotics and our programming curriculum, the goal is to give students that mindset and mentality of the problem solving that happens. In STEAM class, we talk a lot about what it means to fail, and that failure seems like a bad word, but it actually is a word in STEAM that we love, because whenever you fail, you're figuring out how something didn't work, and it challenges you to try something else again. Learning how to solve difficult problems and figure out the way that works best for them to learn how to solve something. They'll be able to remember that so that later on, when they're faced with a challenge that I can't even imagine yet, they'll be able to actually address it. Building up the confidence in students and then being able to see them feel really excited when they've made something themselves is really fulfilling for me as their teacher.